Unraveling English. Mastering relative clauses. Hello learners. In today's video, we're diving deeper into intermediate grammar, focusing on a vital element of English language, relative clauses. They're not as intimidating as they sound, I promise. We'll focus on their purpose and how we use relative clauses to effectively combine sentences. So, let's get started. Relative clauses are parts of a sentence that give us extra information about something without starting another sentence. They are introduced by relative pronouns like who, which, that, whose, where, and when. Here's an example. Sentence 1, I have a book. Sentence 2, the book is on the table. With a relative clause, we can combine these two into I have a book that is on the table. Now that we understand what relative clauses are, let's move on to combining sentences with relative pronouns. This technique can make your speech and writing smoother and more complex. Let's take two sentences. Sentence 1, the woman lives next door. Sentence 2, she is a doctor. We can use a relative pronoun to combine these into the woman who lives next door is a doctor. Here, who is the relative pronoun linking the two ideas. The clause, who lives next door, provides additional information about the woman, who is the main subject of the sentence. Choosing the right relative pronoun is crucial. Who and that are used for people, which is used for things, and where is used for places. Whose shows possession, and when is for time. Example sentences. I know the girl who won the race. This is the book which I bought yesterday. The town where I was born is beautiful. The boy whose bike is red is my cousin. The day when we met was unforgettable. Remember, sometimes the relative pronoun can be omitted, like in this sentence. The shirt that I bought is blue. That brings us to the end of today's lesson on relative clauses. I hope this video has clarified their role and how you can use them to combine sentences, creating more complex and nuanced statements. Keep practicing, as it is the key to mastering this. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!